Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to customize audio sources on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start, for example, from the following screen. As you can see, here you've got your audio sources and you can customize this look. All we need to do is open settings. So let's find the gear icon. The gear icon is located right here at the upper part of the screen. If the following screen pops up, let's choose all settings. And here from the following menu, you can choose customize menus. Now you can find the customize audio sources. To customize the source bar, drag a tile from the bottom area to the upper menu bar. If you are aware of this, let's tap OK. As you can see, here we've got a few audio sources, and in my case, let me, for example, drag the audio Android Auto right here at the end, and that's it. Now let's tap Save. If you go back here to the audio settings, you should see here the icon of the Android Auto. So that's it, you can customize to your own needs. In my case, I've got here the radio, AM, FM, DAB, Bluetooth, and the Android Auto. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.